Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am going to be trying some of my snacks and have them together and try at the same time and tell you guys how do they taste, and you guys can try this at home too. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys did it, then that is great. And I also will be giving you guys a shout out only if I can, because I don't know if you guys know, but I have been struggling on my YouTube channel a lot. So yeah, and right now I'm gonna show you guys the snack that I have. I actually have snacks, and I hide them so that way no one can know where my snacks are and they can grab it, because my brother gets my snacks. Actually, he grabbed my bag of chips, and I went to his room and I grabbed it back because he went out, and right now he's still out, and my other brother went out right now. So well, yeah, but now let's show you guys the snacks that we will be using in today's video. The first snack is gonna be gum. So we're actually gonna do this at last because we're gonna blow a bubble and we're gonna see how it goes. We're not gonna try this on one of the snacks, but we're gonna see if I can make a huge bubble, because some people try to make huge bubbles with this, and I also wanted to do, some people just grab the gum and just take a huge bite, but I don't do that because I'm not gross. The people who do that, you guys are you guys aren't gross, but you guys are if you guys have wanting to do that, but you guys are a person who has a big mouth, who can eat the whole entire thing, because me, I don't have a huge mouth to go like that right into it and eat the huge entire thing, because some people just go like that and eat the huge entire thing, and I can't even do that. So I don't know how they do that, but we're gonna have this in today's video, and we're gonna have these Cheeto Puffs. These are the chips that my brother grabbed, and so that's I'm not mad, but I'm why are you getting all my snacks? Because sorry for that noise. Because he actually grabbed my ice cream and he didn't even ask. He gets all of my snacks, but I mean it's fine because I have more snacks and I have a hidden pile of snacks. But please do not tell my brother that. And then we have the exact same as these, except these are the skinny ones and these are the fat ones. I had these, but they were the hot lemon hot Cheetos, but I give them to my brother, so my oldest brother. You also have this gum. I don't know if we're gonna try to blow a bubble because these are mini gums, and sometimes sometimes when a person is trying to eat this, my cousin or something like that, it's eating one of these gums, one of these, I know you guys can tell, gums. I dare them to try to blow a bubble, and if they do it, then they get sometimes I say $1, because if they actually can do that, and I say $10,000 and they can do that, I am so I'm not gonna wait. I'm not gonna give my money on that. I made a bad idea, so yeah. Even though I don't have $10,000, yeah. But now we have 2 more snacks, and then yeah. So, oh my god. Okay, we'll show this. So this is the Ruffles, the orange ones. I also have 8 in all these snacks, but we're gonna use them. And if you guys wanna get these snacks, just go to Walmart. Oh wait, we have one more snack. I forgot about this one. Go to Walmart because all of these snacks are on Walmart except this one and this one. I grabbed this from a place where my cousin did games, and she bought these, but I don't know where she bought these. I might tell her. But if you guys want this gum, go to CVS, your local CVS that you have there. And I bought these. These are open, by the way. These are soft baked cookies confetti. I can't believe they make this. And I tried it. It's like good, but it tastes weird. The sprinkles taste weird because it's confetti. It tastes weird. But at least it's good. They also sell these at Walmart. If you guys don't know what's Pokey, it's like this right here. I'll show you guys. And it has almond with chocolate. This is Pokey, and they put it in a plastic bag. Literally, it comes with 2 bags. I already finished the first one. It looks like this. This is Pokey. This is the greatest snack in the whole wide world. I just want to eat it right now. So we'll eat it in today's video. And I think that's all. Sorry with the camera. Well, that's all the snacks. Also, I know you guys like my sweater. Okay, this was in my sweater. Okay. I have nothing more. Also, if you guys don't know, I have these plushies. I don't know if I'm gonna put much on my YouTube channel because, you know, this is my first video. So, yeah. And this is a cute, plushie. It has a heart. It says, I love you. This is like a plushie, like if it was given for Valentine's Day. And also, I did not bought this because here it says 2013. I was born in 2013. So this belongs to me. Now this is a pink plushie. This says princess on it. It has a cute heart. And down here it says 2008. Even though we don't care because it's my plushie. But I think this is like technically like I think it's Denny's, but it's mine because I don't know what year he was born. Also, I said Denny's, the breakfast store, because you know, I actually am thinking about breakfast. Comment down below what you guys had breakfast for today. I have specially made quesadillas. You know, they have really good breakfast there. I just I can't. I want it so bad. Here says in Spanish, but this is a red plushie. Oh, this is 2007. Wait. So it can belong to my brother. And then this one belongs to someone else. was born after my brother. I don't even know the year of when my brother was born, so yeah. But that's it. Also, comment down below if you guys like my hat. Wait, I have something glowing on me, so wear like this. Look, a big fan of him. Look, I might put this as a merch. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now let's get on to the video. Also, comment down below if I should make an ASMR video. That'll be great. That'll be so great. Alright. Well, now, which next should we get into first? Okay, wait, guys. I'll be back, okay?